Basically what we have on here is two high-end cameras.
Langsung di dalamnya, dan ini how long you can dive
with fishery scientists working with the water, which I'll tell you more about.
Dari lebih lanjut gitu. Nah, sampelnya apa aja? Ada macam-macam.
Tour area. Sorry, it's bugs. You can turn some lights on if you wanted to, so you can see.
Oke, boleh. Nanti kan Mas ini lagi.
Ini fotogenik ya.
You're the model of the day.
To like it.
Tanyakan dulu teman-teman. Ke Kate. Questions?